In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a package report. What a package does is it combines a report design with a filter and a style that you can then deliver to other people. To design a package, go to TeamWork in the top menu bar. Make sure you have the enterprise or location of your report selected, then click on Reports. Go to your new top menu bar and click on Packages. To create a package, click Add at the top of your screen. First, you need to give your package a name. I'll call mine Example Package. Then you need to choose a design. This is a report you have already created. So I'll click the arrow. I'm going to scroll all the way down to Example. Then choose a filter. I'm going to choose Last Week and a style. I want the blue style. If you don't want to add this package, click Close. I do, so I'm going to select Save. And now this package has been created. I can describe this package if I want. For example, I could say something like last week shifts per person with totals. I know that's what is in that report. That's why I know what to put in the description. Then if everything looks good, I will click Save. Now this package is ready to go. To view your package, click View in the top right-hand corner. When you send this package to someone, this is what it will look like. The title of the package is that description that I just gave, followed by the dates shown in this report, and the employee full name not null are the constraints I put on this report. Then you can see all of the information in this package. It's filtered specifically for the last week, and it is with the style blue that I had created previously. That's how you can create a package in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to send and share this package.